Hi guys, I hope all of you are well. We at Oliveboard have come up with an initiative called Word of the Day. So in this series, you are given a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. Today is day 22. You can watch the previous videos in a playlist that has been created for you. So, let us look at today's word now. Today's word is imprudent. The meaning of the word imprudent is not showing care for the consequences of an action or rash. Now we'll try to understand this word imprudent better with the help of a sentence. So, the sentence that is given to us, we'll try to understand this word in the context of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, the report criticizes the banks for being imprudent in their lending. So, the report criticizes the banks for being careless or rash in their lending practices. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word imprudent. The synonyms are unwise, reckless, or improvident. The antonyms, on the other hand, are prudent, judicious, or sensible. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word better. So, जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us says, the report criticizes the banks for being imprudent in their lending. So, sentence ये कह रहा है कि यह रिपोर्ट बैंकों को उनके उधार देने की प्रक्रिया में लापरवाह ठहराती है. So, imprudent here means लापरवाह होना. Now guys, imprudent here is what part of the speech you have to give me this answer in the comments section. We have tried to understand the meaning of the word imprudent in both the languages English as well as Hindi. I hope you liked the session. Please like the session, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you.